This is everything you need to know about designing the perfect cat run. Hi there, my name is Simone. Designing a cat run takes consideration of several key factors to ensure it is safe, suitable and stimulating for your cat. These are the top things you should consider when designing your very own cat run for your feline friend. Let's get into it. The first thing to consider is that your cat run should be spacious enough to allow room for you and your cat to play. Consider the number of cats that will be using the space and make sure there's room for them to roam freely and not feel restricted. Make sure you follow the RSPCA's regulations for the minimum enclosure size. When it comes to location, you'll need to choose a place that is quiet and secure for your cat run. Ideally, it should lean against an existing house or fence. Make sure you avoid areas near busy roads or loud noises that could stress your cat out. The RSPCA recommends enclosures should be a minimum 2 meters away from your fence line. The safety of your furry friend is paramount. Make sure that the enclosure is safe and sturdy with no sharp edges or clear escape routes. The mesh or wire you use should be tight enough to prevent the cat from getting out and other animals from getting in. Additionally, having a roof such as this one will keep the sun out and avoid overheating on warmer days. Next, you'll want to incorporate fun features such as the cat tunnel, climbing steps, scratch tower and a bed for downtime. Remember to also add toys and feeding stations. You want to keep your cats entertained with different items to ensure your cat does not get lonely or bored in its enclosure while you're gone. Add in some greenery using plants and pots. Not only does it look great, but it also can provide shade for your cat when it's hot out. Include a strip of grass for an element that cats will love. The grass provides a different texture under their paws, which can be stimulating and encourage play. The cat run should have areas where your cat can take shelter from the elements. This could be a covered platform, a small cat house, or even foliage to provide shade. Also, consider comfort elements like soft bedding or cushions. Design your cat run with easy access for cleaning and maintenance. This could be a human-sized door or a removable panel. Regular cleaning will help maintain a hygienic environment for your cats. You'll need to choose durable materials for your cat enclosure project. The framing, flooring and the roof should all be suitable for outdoors as they will be exposed to the elements. And there you have it, the perfect getaway for your cat. It's safe, fun and it's a comfortable environment for your cat to explore. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.